today as we continue the corruption scheme of Meredith and Ali Gürsel, and want to present to your attention one more productive fact. Based on Turkmen Migration Services information base, we found out that Ali Gürsel's name isn't in the record of Turkmen Migration Database, which means that he never hadn't officially applied for a visa, but entering continuously Turkmenistan illegally. This means that our country doesn't provide or give the right for free entry and exit of its citizens, but the doors are open to legally protected people, for example, legal criminals. This is a gross misconduct of Constitution of Turkmenistan. Our migration service is witnessing and allowing these crimes. This is a condition that is strictly covered by international law. In addition, this case has been brought to attention of the Financial International Crime Network. This organization is now likely to be reason that this is a criminal law firm might change its name once again according to their previous experience. As we have seen, the discovery of such schemes, our youth in the 21st century are able to track, investigate, and achieve the desired results of any aim they put in front of them. History will include those who wrote with their names in the country in the golden letters. On the other hand, there will be those who remain in the dark side of history. Our homeland is going through tough times right now, and its challenges testing all of us. Those who stand up for this test and believe in the bright future make a contribution of being a true ambassadors of our country by representing a great potential of the new state of Turkmenistan tomorrow, while others will be facing a lawful judgment in the international scale. The rise of the nation will not be measured by 2 kilograms of flour, as it shows the bitter reality of Turkmen people today. Instead, it will be compensated in full. Due to the investigation, we can only bring a little amount of evidence to a public attention. In this investigation, we would like to express our gratitude to our Turkmen professionals who are appreciated for their contribution, and we would like to stress that both sides of the law have left in their mark in the history of Turkmenistan.